The Foundation Repair Association delineates three types of damage on a home. You have structural, cosmetic, and then you also have serviceability cracks, functional cracks. Structural cracks are when the house has moved enough to put the house in structural jeopardy. Not very often. Cosmetic cracks are hairline cracks that occur for a number of reasons, maybe thermal expansion and contraction. They occur a lot in stucco. So if the lathing, the paper that goes in back of the wire for stucco is called lath. If that's not lathed correctly, then the water runs on the backside of the paper and that causes cracking in the stucco. So there's a lot of reasons for cosmetic cracks. I had lunch with an engineer a while back, and he asserted that if a crack is not structural, it's cosmetic. And I totally disagree with that. I think that ignores the serviceability or the functional cracks. And that is 80% of what we see. So serviceability and function cracks occur when the structure does not function as designed. So if you have cracks that reoccur on a regular basis, that's a functional crack. Or if you have doors and windows that don't operate properly, that's a functional problem. That's a serviceability problem. If you have bugs or cold air coming in through cracks, that's a serviceability problem. Lots of reasons for serviceability. Could be that it keeps cracking the tile in the floor. That's a serviceability problem. So those kinds of things are 80% of the problems that we see out there. And it's important to understand the differentiation of them. Sometimes a engineer that's working for a home builder might send a letter to a homeowner and say, oh, there's no structural concerns on your house. And the homeowner might think, oh, I've been given a clean bill of health. Everything is fine. But the engineer might not even mention the functionality cracks. And so the homeowner is completely unaware that there's a category of problems that need to be addressed that the engineer didn't address. So it's important for homeowners to understand the three different levels and how they interact with each other.